think the best way to pick a cake for your wedding is really go and explore wedding bakeries. One of the biggest mistakes I see is that people go to their favorite bakery and say, hey, can you make me a wedding cake? Or they try cupcakes from a specific bakery and they want to make a wedding cake from it. What I would say is you want to remember it's kind of like catering, right? I can probably make a really good meal for 10 people, but I don't know if I can make a really good meal for 100 people. I don't know if that recipe will go, to really a mass production kind of. And so I would say really look at and explore the subject matter experts. And so you want to look at wedding bakeries. And from there, go and do tastings. Most bakeries will offer you, they'll have a fee for the tasting, but as long as you buy through them, it counts towards the purchase of your cake. And some of them are really fun. Like some of them will do like cakes for you, and then you'll have different frostings. So you can actually mix each frosting with multiple like vanilla cakes with maybe different frostings. So you can really pick and choose what you want and customize it. Also, you'll be able to understand their design a little bit more and what they're really good at. There's, bakeries out there that are great at naked cakes. There's some that are really good at a lot of fondant, and depending on what design you want and how much you want it to really match the reception decor, you're really going to want to make sure that, you're picking and choosing and kind of like feeling out the right bakery for you.